Now this is what you must expect from this course. You will learn relevant basics for Excel VBA programming. Learn how to use the VBA code editor. Get a profound knowledge about the initialize event. Get a full understanding of sub-procedures. Learn how to write a clean and easy to maintain code. Learn the importance of separation of concerns. Understand the master-slave approach. Learn how to debug your code. Learn how to manipulate objects using the code. Learn how to organize your code and when to use the with and with statement. Learn how to create and use named memories like variables and constants. Learn the technique of looping through an array of objects. And as you learn, you will understand how strategy simplifies coding. Something you rarely learn from short lessons about macros and task automations. The course is practical, meaning you will learn the VBA basic principles practically and at the right time as you take part in building the initial stages of our date picker. At the end of this course, our date picker will not be useful. However, it will be intelligent enough to repair itself when shown to the user in the user view, no matter how much you distort its appearance in the developer view. If you run it, it must appear as perfect as it is intended. This is a coding principle used by professionals to deliver a perfect view to the user at all times and without fail. A well-done application must be intelligent enough to repair or rebuild itself in case someone deletes a part of the structure in the back end by mistake or on purpose. So you see, you are not only learning how to code, but also learning principles of building mega programs. This is a very useful course. What you will learn here may be the missing key to your understanding if you are struggling with the VBA language. Let me be clear about who should take this course. If your basics are in order, please do not take this course or any course in this series. This course is for absolute beginners or those who are finding it hard to write a clear VBA code. We are starting from zero. So I urge you, before you sign up for this course, please vet yourself. Otherwise, you may waste your time with something that is far below your level. Time is very important and I don't want to waste it for you. Read the reviews for this course before you sign up. When you have evaluated yourself and would like to learn this way, please sign up for this course. It is the first in the Beginner's Guide series.